is Abhilasha and I'm bringing to you today one of the brand new courses that is being launched by Unacademy for CAT. So this batch is the CAT 2020 Weekend Evening Crash Course batch. It starts on the 4th of July, and as its lead mentors you have Udit Saini sir, you have me, and of course you have Agnimitra Aman sir. So let me quickly tell you a little bit about this course and then we will take it forward from there. So I've already brought you on to the page where you will be able to log in and you will be able to start understanding something about the course. So the website for this page, of course, you can go to unacademy.com and you can search for CAT 2020 Weekend Evening Crash Course Batch, which starts on the 4th of July. Once you have come to this page, this is where you will land. So you will be able to see this, the CAT 2020 Weekend Evening Crash Course Batch, 4th of July. Of course, your educators here will be Udit Saini sir and I. I will tell you a little, and of course Agnimitra. Let me quickly tell you a little bit about this course. So in this course, the top educators will cover data interpretation, logical reasoning, VARC. The entire course for CAT 2020 will be covered in this course. Over the next 4.5 months, we will make sure that you are able to do the entire syllabus and that you are able to write CAT with as much preparation as anyone else who started a little bit earlier or who is starting a little bit later. Now, let me quickly tell you what are the course inclusions here. So this batch, of course, is starting on the 4th of July. So that the educators here will be Udit Saini sir for QA. So he will be taking QA for you. Udit Saini is an engineer by degree, a teacher by profession. He's taken quantitative aptitude since 2016. My name, of course, is Abhilasha, and I've been teaching for the last 21 years. I've been associated with Unacademy for the last 1 year now. I'm also a published author. And of course, this course will also be co-conducted by Agnimitra sir, who will be taking up LR and DI for you guys. Now, let me also tell you a little bit about the course inclusions. So, the course inclusions will be like this. So we will be covering all the topics. So we will cover verbal ability and RC, we will cover quantitative aptitude, and we will cover data interpretation and LR. Now in verbal ability, let us quickly tell you what all we will cover. So of course, we are starting off with para jumbles. We will cover para summary, we will cover odd one out, we will cover vocabulary, we will cover fact inference judgment, we will do logical deductions and fallacies, we will do critical reasoning, we will do grammar, and we will complete para completion also. So all the topics in verbal ability are going to be done in this course. Next at hand, we will have reading comprehension, where we will cover the fundamentals of reading comprehension, the approaches of solving an RC, the methods to select the right option, different types of questions on RC, and of course different types of RC passages. So we will cover all of that. And then of course we will give you a VARC crash course. We'll also give you an RC crash course as well. Now, if we come to quantitative aptitude, let me come there. So in basic maths, we will cover arithmetic, we will do ratio, proportion, variation, we will do percentages, profit, loss, discount, SICI, average, mixture, allegations, time work, time, speed, distance, number system, log, sequence, and series. Then in advanced maths, we will cover functions, set theory, mensuration, geometry, coordinate, linear equations, quadratic equations, inequalities, permutation, combination, probability, trigonometry, etc. Then we will give you the quantitative aptitude crash course as well as the quantitative aptitude practice course, which will comprise of mock questions. Then in the DILR portion, we will cover data interpretation and logical reasoning. In data interpretation, we'll start off with the basics of DI. We'll do bar charts, pie charts, line graphs, caselets, combination graphs, tables, and data sufficiency. In logical reasoning, we will cover all the topics of logical reasoning like binary logic, assertion reason, course of action, mathematical operations, decision making, games, tournaments, blood relation, clocks, calendars, cubes, dice, data arrangement, constraint based puzzles, etc. Apart from that, we'll also be covering the DI crash course and the LR crash course, as well as giving you the mock questions for data interpretation and logical reasoning. So these will be the inclusions in the course that we will be covering. So these are the topics that we will cover in your course. The schedule of this course, of course, we start off on the 4th of July. We start off with quantitative aptitude. So ratio, proportion and variation is the first class that you have at 9 p.m. with Udit Saini sir on 4th. On the 5th again you have ratio, proportion. So you are starting off with quantitative aptitude on the 4th of July. Then we will continue and I will quickly take you forward a little bit so that I can also tell you when we starting grammar. So on the 26th of July we start off with grammar and vocabulary, which will be on the 25th, yes, at 7 p.m. we will be having the VRC classes, so that will start at 7. On the 25th of July we start off with vocabulary and grammar, and thereafter we will start off with the other classes also. So this is the plan for the batch. We are starting, remember this is a weekend batch. So the weekend batch, of course, that means the classes will be on Saturdays and Sundays. Now, one thing, why you should be joining this course. Now, this course is going to be a very good course for anyone who's working. So let's say I always find students who say, oh ma'am, I don't have time to come to your classes in the weekdays because I'm working 9 to 8 or something like that. So for anyone who's working 9 to 8 and is finding problems in, finding time for preparation, now this could be the ideal batch for you because this is happening on weekends, so Saturdays and Sundays only, and that too the classes are late evening. The first class starts at 7 p.m. and then goes on till 12:30 or 1 p.m. in the 1 a.m. in the night. So what is happening is over the weekends also the daytime is free for you. So you have your own thing, you want to practice questions, you want to write the test, so those can also be taken care of because generally the mocks also happen in the morning. So your days are free, your evenings are blocked with us, and then during the weekdays if you have time you can do your own self-study, which will actually help you a lot. Now this course is also good for anyone who is right now in college, because if you are in college and you are having classes, even if they're online classes, the online classes are going on for quite a few of you. Now if that is happening, then you also will find this amply rewarding because again Saturdays and Sundays. Now all those who have just decided that they are planning to write CAT this year and hadn't have time to think about what to do, or have just kind of said, okay, let me throw in the towel in the ring. So if you are one of those and if you've just started, if you've just decided that you're going to be writing CAT this year, then this is the perfect batch for you because this will be one batch which you can start from day 1. 4th of July is just the first day for this batch, and then you can take it forward to your CAT, to your XAT, to your other exams also. So we will make sure that your entire course is completed within this batch. So guys, I hope you've been able to understand. In case you wish to join us, yes, I hope you will join us. So to get subscription, you just have to go to our CAT subscription page. You have to choose a 1-year plan or a 6-month plan. Then if you have a referral code, key in the referral code and then you can proceed to pay for the course also. So that is all you need to do. In case you have friends who are planning to join this course, in case you have someone you have in mind who would love to join, please click on the share button and share this also with your friends, colleagues and family. Alright guys, I hope we will see lots and lots of you in big numbers in this course starting 4th of July with Udit Saini sir doing maths, me Abhilasha doing VARC and Agnimitra Aman doing LRDI for you. Thank you so much. I hope we will see you soon. Adios everybody.